The redesign of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is coming after 8 years. The current version is part of the second generation that arrived in 2017. Mazda made an impact with the CX-5 when it was launched for the first time. The second generation was a true upgrade. Now it is time for another step forward. The turbo lineup keeps high-end rims. The new 2025 Mazda CX-5 Signature will still be the most expensive configuration with unique upgrades such as premium leather and advanced tech gadgets. The CX-50 is also available with the Meridian Edition, but it is exclusive for this model and will not be carried over to the new CX-5. 18. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is ready to deliver a serious hybrid system. For now, only a MHEV is used, but it doesn't improve outputs and gas mileage seriously. The crossover needs better numbers to stay competitive. For example, a 2.5-liter inline four-plane delivers 187 HP and its fuel economy is 30 mpg. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 release date. The all-new vehicle is not coming out before the second half of 2024. Since there will not be changes on the upcoming vehicle, the full focus is on the 2025 EM. The development has already started. The first prototypes are yet to be tested on the streets.